Good morning. It is another beautiful morning here in Maine, and I stayed last night at this beautiful cabin in Kingfield, Maine. And I want to give y'all a little tour of the cabin. It's so cute inside, so just get ready for this. I had turned off the lights because I was about to leave, and then I remembered I wanted to record, so let me put all the lights back on and show y'all. This place is so cute. Which light am I missing? This one. And I think that's outside. That's all the lights. So look at this cabin. It is so cute. It's so cute. This is a kitchen. This is a dining table, living room. And then there's 2 bedrooms in here. I'll just show you one of them because the other one I have all my stuff everywhere, but this is the bedroom. Yeah, this cabin is so cute. And then there is a sitting area outside. Yeah, this is just the cutest cabin ever. I'm getting ready to go, so I'm gonna make sure I turn off all the lights. There's so many light switches, so sometimes I can't tell if I turned off all of them. So let's turn off all the lights. Today I'm gonna go check out a orchard, apple orchard, and then I'm also gonna do a bike ride. Oh, I didn't get this chandelier. Let me turn that off. No? Oh, this one. Okay. And then one more light. And then I think I should be good to go. Nope. There we go. Nope, there's one more light. Where is that light? Sorry, so many switches. But I got a day of exploring ahead, and I am excited to take y'all with me. Nope, that's not the light. Where is this light? All right, so this cabin is absolutely beautiful, and it's right in nature. Look at all the trees. So beautiful. If this is your first time here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to keep along with all of my adventures. Hey guys, I am apple picking in Maine. So this is definitely a New England thing to do. These are the available apples today. McIntosh, Cortland, and Gala apple. But let's go. I got a bag. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these apples because I'm going on a plane tomorrow morning, but we shall see. So let's pick these apples. The trees are looking a little bare because they've probably been picked, but the nice lady at the store said that if I walk all the way down in the middle, I'll be able to find some more. So let's check it out. I've never had a Cortland apple, so don't know what that is, but today we're gonna try it. Definitely have had Gala, but I'm gonna try some new apples today. all the apples have been picked, and they're all over the ground. So I'm gonna walk all the way down and see if I can find some apples. This is low-key kind of sad because look at all of these apples on the ground. Like, you guys, this is such a waste. All these apples are literally going to waste. Oh my God. Well, let me go see if I can pick some because I feel so bad about all these apples that are just on the ground going to waste. Okay, I see some apples over here that have not been picked yet. Let's get picking. Let me go over here real quick so I can find a nice tree to pick from. Ooh. Okay. Wow, you guys, these apples are so big. I can't wait to actually taste one and try it out. I need to wash it first because, you know, I'm not about to eat fruit without washing it, but they look so big and juicy. This is my bag of apples, and it's a lot. So now I'm about to go look up apple recipes because I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these apples. I mean, I guess I can eat them, but it's a lot. This place is super cool. Definitely check it out. This is North Star Orchards here in Maine, and very, very beautiful, and definitely something you should do if you're ever in Maine. Hey guys, it's Irene here, the Black Hiking Queen, and I am doing my last hike here in Maine. This is in Kingfield, Maine, and it's supposed to be a short little hike to a beautiful waterfall, so I'm hoping to see the falls. Looking at pictures online, it's supposed to be a really massive waterfall, so I'm actually excited. I love waterfalls, and this is really beautiful. Look at the leaves. Wow, I love this color. I don't think I've seen a leaf like this. So beautiful. Wow, do y'all hear that? The sound of water flowing. And y'all know that is my favorite thing ever. It sounds so beautiful. Wow, this trail is awesome. Made it to the waterfall. It's so beautiful and so peaceful. I don't even know if y'all can hear me, but this waterfall is absolutely beautiful. Let me get over here on this rock